Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how we can generate unique backgrounds for images. Here we have an image of a wine bottle that I made a personalised label for. The background on here is not very exciting. I just literally took a photo of it in the kitchen. We don't need to do anything to this picture now, but in order to generate the unique background, we are going to head up to Edit. In the App section, we are going to look for BG generated, and we can see it does have a small crown symbol, which means that this is a Canva Pro feature. If you do not have Canva Pro and you would like to give it a try to try out this feature and all the other amazing features that Canva Pro offers, then there is a link in the description. Just click on the link and that will give you a free 30-day trial to try all the features. Select background generator, and now it wants us to add a bit of a description. If you don't have any idea what to put, then you can select inspire me. So the first one is a snowy alpine scene at sunrise with warm diffused light. Maybe that's not quite what we're after. A lush garden with glowing sunlight forming soft and subtle shadows. You can just keep selecting inspire again until you come up with something that might be similar to the type of background you would like, or you can just type in your own description if you know exactly how you want the background to look. I think we'll go with this one. A modern airy room with wooden accents, large windows and warm diffused sunlight. We'll select generate and we'll see what it produces. Canva's now going to work its magic and generate our backgrounds. This does just take a few seconds. And there we can see now it's generated us a result with a nice wooden table, some sunlight coming through the windows. It does give us 4 options, so we can select any of those 4. And if we are not happy with any of those, then you can select generate again and it will generate some different images. So let's see what it produces. So they are just slightly different, but again it's generated some good images. So if we go with this one, if you're happy with the photo as it is, that's brilliant. You can now download that and use that. But if you'd like to make any changes to the image, you can select adjust, and that gives us now lots of options for white balance, the light, the colour and the texture. So you can play about and scroll and adjust each option manually, or you can select auto adjust. So there we can see now it's made changes and it auto adjusted the photo. If you're not happy with that, then you can just select reset adjustment and it will put it back to your original photo. This is a really great and fun way of producing unique different backgrounds for photos or images that you have. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.